Hello, hashtag We Gamma Math. We are going into our 15th instructional week, and so I wanted to recap some things from last week prior to us going on our break, and also talk about what's coming down the pipeline. So, a couple things are we're going to do some progress in data tracking and sending out our grades. I know that eighth grade is already doing this, so for sixth, seventh, and fifth, I'll support ensuring that we have these progress reports ready for our students so that they can see how they are doing in your class. Also, we have some missing data from sixth grade from the last test. Let's make sure we get those in, and we have some data on the horizon. Congratulations to Miss Robinson for getting her data in and scanned and at a 57.5% green and mastery. Of course, that does not include the yellow, but it is definitely progress. And we have some upcoming tests coming down the way. Russo taking some tests today, and then after the break, we'll see some tests from Allison. So just to recap on week 14, Turkey Through Math went through without a hitch. Congratulations to all our winners. And you can see the flyers posted around school. Fifth grade rocked it. Greater than 50% of their students participated. Top Turkey completed 90 lessons. Fifth grade as a whole completed quite a bit of lessons, not 456. We completed 456 total. And so we have a lot of lessons, but they completed the most lessons. And they had the top cohort, and of course, Russo, their leader, was courageous. Week 15 and 16, O3 flow. So this week we focused on your teacher pathway focuses for many. And then for some, we just did some prepping and making sure we was ready to go. For next week, we will all be working on interim assessments. Williams, in preparation for your departure, we will be having a couple of more meetings with you to get you ready and make sure that Ty is set up for success. Bright and early on Monday of next week, I'll be looking for the following. I did a grade check. We are all in compliance except for Williams, your date of your last grade. You have the right number of grades, but your date of your last grade is November the 12th. So we want to make sure that that's updated so parents can get the most up-to-date information. For our weeks to come, which will be our week 16 and beyond. For December the 3rd, we are going to be planning for our O3s again. As I stated, we are going to be focused primarily on that benchmark as well as some of your teacher pathway moves. We're going to plan for the end of the year, so we need to know what lessons you're going to be teaching until the students leave, including taking out days for interim assessment or reducing the type of lesson you're going to do for interim assessment, as well as looking at our field trips. So just making sure that we take all of that in consideration when we're planning, so we'll know if a test is coming or whatever, or if we need to combine some lessons, we're on top of that. All right, thank you so much for your time. If anything else come up, I'll make sure I put it in the email. You all rock. Hashtag We Gamma Math.